Hi, I'm Helena from PamPam, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom wedding map. So you're going to go to pampam.city, and then you're going to find, you're going to go to /templates and then find the wedding map. So you're going to go to a page that looks like this. And PamPam is just a tool to make and share maps online. You're going to get your own link. You can also embed it in your website or just send it out to your wedding guests. So first you're going to click Start with this map. It's going to take you to the map, and then you're going to click Copy Map. You might have to sign in at this point. I'm already signed in, but you might have to sign in. Now you're in the copy of your own map. So you're going to see this because it's going to say Copy of Wedding Map, and then you can just, change it to whatever it is that you want to call it. You can also add your own picture. So let's see. I have a picture here of my sister and her husband when they got married. So you can have your own pictures here. And then of course the main thing you'll want to do is actually edit the map. So the way that the maps work is that you can edit this, this main description, and then you can divide things into different sections or categories. So we have wedding events, hotels, things to do, and then just a little description on how to use this template. So you can delete this one. This is a way to delete the sections. And then from here, you can just start adding places to the sections. So if you wanted to remove everything, you could just go to Add and then do Remove All Spots. That would clear all of the categories and the places. But let's say you want to use these categories. You can just click Add Spot to Section and then just search for the place that you want to add it to. So let's say that I'm getting married in Longwood Gardens here in Pennsylvania. So you can have the spot here. You can then add the date, the time, the description, customize all of these things. For Get Directions, you want to add a link here to Google Maps. So you would just copy this link. You can have a link to the website as well. You can add a picture for this too. And there we go. Let's add a date just so you can see it. February 15th, 2025. Okay. And then to delete the other spots, you would just click on this little dot menu and then click Remove. There you go. And now you can see that this spot has been added. And from here, you can click on the emoji to change the sticker. You can also hide the label if you don't want to see that. Like I said, you can add dates, you can add description, photos, and so on. So then you would just continue adding your spots in that way. There's a bunch of other cool things that you could do with PamPam. So check out some of the other videos if you want to learn how to do that. But that's the main of it. And then what you would do is you would click Share, and you can do Copy Link, and you can just share this out as a link. No, your guests don't need a PamPam account to view the map, so they can just look at it. You can also embed the map, and so depending on how you're hosting your wedding website, you can actually just copy the embed code and put it on there. Some other people might want to take a screenshot of the map and then put a link to the map there as well. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and hope this is helpful.